Frequently asked questions. Please note, the following is not meant to be a complete final list. This is only a roundup of several questions I often had to reply to. You can use it like a quick and easy reference guide. If you have a question that's not included here or on my YouTube channel, don't hesitate to keep in touch and ask me via my Facebook or Instagram accounts. Question: why is my dough hard? Because you use too much flour. Try to reduce the amount next time. If you are using my recipes, chances are you try to knead on a flour surface. Next time, resist the temptation. Question: why is my dough spread flat? Because your gluten is not strong enough. Next time, try kneading longer. Question: how do I know my dough is kneaded enough? Gently push your finger on the surface. If it springs back, then it's ready. Otherwise, you will need some more elbow grease. Question: why does my dough smell like alcohol? Because you have used too much yeast and you're now smelling some over-fermentation. Some of it will disappear with baking, but some will stay. Next time, reduce the amount of yeast. Question: why is my dough not rising? There are many possible causes. You kill the yeast using hot water. Next time, use room temperature water. You mix yeast and salt together. Next time, keep them separate. Your yeast is expired. Next time, check it beforehand. See next question. You use too much flour and now the yeast is struggling to pump the dough. Finally, the temperature of the room is very low. The ideal one is about 20 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Try putting your dough inside the oven with a little light on or inside the microwave after you heat a glass of water for 1 minute. Question: how can I check if my yeast is still okay? Put a teaspoon into a glass of lukewarm water, ideally around 30 degrees Celsius, 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Add a teaspoon of sugar and wait around 10 minutes. A nice froth should now cover the surface. If it doesn't, then your yeast is not active anymore. Question: how do I know my dough is ready, has risen enough? Quick and easy test to check. Once again, gently push your finger on it. If it springs back, then it's not ready yet. Let it rise longer. When a trace remains, then you can stretch it. Question: can I freeze my dough? Yes, you can. Remember, move it from the freezer into the fridge the previous day so its temperature rises slowly. Then take it from the fridge at least a couple of hours before you use it. It must reach room temperature. Question: why does my dough shrink back when I try to stretch it? There are a couple of causes. 1. You have used too much flour. Next time, trying to reduce the amount or just follow my recipe. 2. You didn't let it rise enough. The gluten needs time to decay. Please refer to the maturation times I explained in chapter 1. Question: okay, but at this point I need to stretch it. What should I do? Let it rest for 1 minute and try again. It will relax and it will be less reluctant. You can repeat if needed. Question: why is my pizza soggy? If the top looks okay, nice color and melted mozzarella, then you probably put all the toppings on your base at once, preventing it from cooking evenly. Please refer to chapter 5 when I explain about the red base. Also, remember you always need to preheat the oven. Question: why is my pizza watery? Chances are you have used some fresh mozzarella straight from its bag. Next time, remember to dry it as explained in chapter 1. Also, ingredients like mushrooms may release some water when you cook them. Next time, try to reduce their amount. Question: why is mozzarella burnt and toppings have shrunk? Again, you put all the toppings on your base from the start. Next time, start with the red base. Question: why do I drink a lot after I eat my homemade pizza? There are several possible reasons. 1. Your pizza is undercooked. The obvious fix is to leave it in the oven longer next time. 2. Too many toppings, ingredients, condiments. If you stuff your pizza with 3 kinds of cheese, pepperoni, onion, chicken, ham, pineapple, and your pizza weighs 1 kilo, then you will overload your stomach and the poor thing will struggle to do its job. 3. You were too generous with the yeast, the highest allowed amount. is 5% of flour's weight. Use it sparingly next time and follow my suggestions. Question: is there any way you can teach me more? Sure, I already mentioned I built a video course where I dig deeper in some topics. You get to see me in action there. You will find links on my website, of course, and on all my social channels. Question: why is my pizza so bloody good? Because you have read this book and followed my teachings to the letter.